Taking flight on another world. The Mars helicopter, Ingenuity, is a technology demonstration to test powered flight on another world for the first time. Hello, welcome to another planet. If you are new, make sure to subscribe and stay connected to updates like these. It hitched a ride to Mars on the Perseverance rover. Once the rover reaches a suitable helipad location, it will release Ingenuity to perform a series of test flights over a 30 Martian day experimental window beginning sometime in the spring. For the first flight, the helicopter will take off a few feet from the ground, hover in the air for about 20 to 30 seconds, and land. That will be a major milestone, the very first powered flight in the extremely thin atmosphere of Mars. After that, the team will attempt additional experimental flights of incrementally farther distance and greater altitude. After the helicopter completes its technology demonstration, Perseverance will continue its scientific mission. Month of Ingenuity. Helicopter Flight Preview Webinar. In early April, the Mars Ingenuity helicopter will attempt the first ever powered flight on Mars. Join this interactive webinar to hear team members describe how they will support the helicopter when it takes to the skies. Milestones: survive launch, cruise to Mars and landing on the red planet. Deploy safely to the Martian surface from the belly pan of the Perseverance rover and unfold from its stowed position correctly. Keep warm, autonomously, through the intensely cold Martian nights, as frigid as -130 degrees Fahrenheit, or -90 degrees Celsius. Charge, autonomously, using its solar panel. Confirm communications with the rover and flight operators on Earth. Spin up its rotor blades for the first time, to a speed below what would be needed for flight. Lift off for the first time in the thin Martian atmosphere. Fly autonomously. Land successfully. 5 things to know. First test of powered flight on another planet. Built to be light and strong enough to stow away under the rover while on the way to Mars, and survive the harsh Martian environment after arriving on the surface. The helicopter weighs less than 4 pounds, 1.8 kilograms. Powerful enough to lift off in the thin Mars atmosphere. The atmosphere of Mars is very thin, less than 1% the density of Earth's. The helicopter may fly for up to 90 seconds, to distances of almost 980 feet, 300 meters, at a time and about 10 to 15 feet from the ground. That's no small feat compared to the first 12-second flight of the Wright brothers airplane. The helicopter flies on its own, without human control. It must take off, fly, and land, with minimal commands from Earth sent in advance.